Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode I'd like to teach you new features that just came out in Planner. So you see I have a test planner, and this is the plan. And until now we had actually names. We had the board, and we had a chart, and we also had a calendar schedule and the three dots. Now we see actually that it has been replaced by these icons, which are quite cool. Just you need to guess what each one is. But what I wanted to show you actually is we have a new tab, and the new tab is the grid view. So actually, if until now you had the board view, and if you had lots of tasks, actually it would be very full of actually tasks, and this list makes everything more organized. Here, let me show you an example. Here we have more tasks. Actually, we can see the start date, the due date, which bracket, and the progress. Here you can actually see even something with more, and you can always export it, and then you can see everything. What else can we see here? So actually, strangely enough, you see that before we had the icons, now it went away. So I guess it's something that is changing, but it might come. I wanted to show you actually additional thing. Depending on the type of the plan, if it's a plan which is connected to SharePoint, or if it's a plan in a team, you'll see different menus. So in this case, I see nothing special. In this case, because this is within a plan and a channel, I have this icon here, and you see it's under this sales and marketing. Actually, it's under general, and there's a channel sales and marketing. If I click on this, actually it will bring me to here, sales and marketing, and or something similar. So let's see another example. So if I go, for instance, to here you see I have the open in SharePoint, which appears here. Of course, in the three dots you could also choose the site. So each one has different things, and what's strange is actually this icons that appeared in the beginning and then disappeared. I'm not sure if it's something to do with resolutions or other things. Let's play around. Maybe I'll make it smaller. No. So I can swear that actually at the beginning you saw that. So maybe it's something that is rolling out, and actually something that we will see in the future. So just to compare this to what we had in Teams. So if I go to the Teams, just a second, give me an example. So in Teams we have an app which is called, let's click the three dots, Tasks by Planner. Now if you remember, we had the first possibility to do that, and actually we could see in the tasks, we could see here this list view. So in Planner it's not called lists, but it's called a grid. And what's nice with the grid actually is that you can directly from here type, and you can also see the details. Let me see, if I click here, open details, I can see everything. In addition, if I go to what's assigned to me, I'll also see the board, chart, and schedule, and also the grid. So this is what I wanted to show you. I think it's very useful. Try it out. It should come to your tenant soon. If you like my channel, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.